Okay, so I'm gonna go outside and see what this blizzard is all about. This is the snowfall coming out the door. It's not that high. What are you talking about? Well, this is a step down. Gotta get into this thing. Kerplunk. Whew. I would say maybe a good 5 inches. Maybe a good 5 inches, yeah. Hey everybody, it's Eddie Marathon. Well, this is the massive blizzard they've been talking about, and I'm not so sure it's all that massive. A lot of hype. I'm sure it's a lot worse in other parts like Chicago. But here, in the morning of Wednesday, the day of the blizzard, I've got to do the walk now. I got to shovel the drive. Actually, I'm not going to shovel. I'm going to snowplow. But anyway, we don't have that much snow. I mean, I've seen a lot worse. I grew up in Chicago, and we had some famous blizzards back in '67 and '78. I remember when it was really bad outside. This is nothing. You call this a blizzard? I top your blizzard and one up you. But this isn't so bad. I mean, we got some snow drifts and stuff, but this is all livable. I don't know if it's runnable right now, but anyway. Well, here you can see the bushes are almost covered, but that's blowing wind and stuff. It's pretty out, though. It's very pretty. Anyway, I just want to show you a little bit from the blizzard site of Eddie Marathon. All right, folks, we'll see you. Stay warm wherever you are. Okay, we'll see you now. Bye-bye.